and gentlemen, please direct your attention to the left, where Bam Bam will be performing a dirty roll.